Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show. So today we are going to make glitter balls. That's right, you heard me, glitter balls. So all we do is we just take a mold of a ball or a sphere, if you would, and you mix up your resin. You put the glitter in the resin first, and then you pour it slowly in, and then you have a glitter ball 24 hours later. So I just thought this would be a fun little episode, just something to show you what else you can do with resin, and so let's get to it. Okay, so I just did the whole intro, but it wasn't even recording, so that sucked. But anyway, today we're gonna make glitter balls. Okay, and here's another one. Isn't that pretty? So I am putting these in my bedroom on this shelf that I made, and today we're gonna do this big boy. So I'm gonna take different colors of glitter, and I'm gonna do put one in and then the next and then the next and the next, but I'm not gonna mix them. I'm just gonna let them do their own thing, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so I need to mix up probably a lot more resin than I have, and we'll get started. All right, so I already had this little thing of resin all ready to go. So I just added some purple glitter, and we're just gonna, I know it's just a little bit and it's not even gonna make a dent, but we're just gonna go ahead and dump that in. Okay. So now I'm really gonna mix up more resin. Okay, so I mixed up this much resin. That's a lot, but I really think we're gonna need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of it in here. And I have a big ass thing of silver glitter. So thank you to Sabrina. Very nice gift. Okay, and there's a lot in there, so that's why I put that much glitter in there. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix this up. Okay. So now we'll go ahead and dump it. Not really dump, but we're gonna pour. All right, now, since we're using the same, since we're just gonna mix it together, I don't really care if some of that silver gets in with whatever we're gonna do next. And I think next we're gonna do this purple. I'm just gonna dump this whole thing in there. It wasn't all the way full. All right, mix, mix, mix. So the colors I'm choosing are black, silver, and purple, because those are the colors that I have in my room. Okay. Next. I think I am going to mix a little bit. All right, and then for this last bit, which it's not going to be enough, we're going to have to make some more resin. Looks like this might get us a little bit up to halfway. I don't even know if we're going to make it all the way. We're going to do a little bit of this black. All right, so here we go. Whoops. All right, so like I said, we're halfway there. So I am going to mix up some more resin, and I think I'll probably use the rest of that purple and see what we get, okay? So you guys, I don't know how many of you know this, but I used to be a giraffe interpreter at the Naples Zoo in Florida. And I basically had to learn everything there was to know about a giraffe, and then I would teach. But anyway, so one of the things that I learned is, you know how they have those like horn things on the top of their heads? Okay, those are not actually horns. They're called ossicones, and they're made of cartilage. And if you notice, sometimes, you know, they do have like little fuzzy fur. But if the one has like more fuzzy fur on the top, that is probably a female, and that's because the males, they thrust their heads back and forth and they like smash into the other giraffes, and that will rub off the little hairs on the top. So anyway, now you know what those little horny things are called. Have a good one, guys. All right, so I just mixed up this big thing of resin, and we're gonna use this purple. I don't know if we're gonna use all of it, but we're gonna do a lot. All right, so here we go. Now, some glitters float to the top and some don't, and I don't know which is which. So I guess we're gonna fuck around and find out. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys how this looks as it goes in, because it looks pretty cool. Okay, so here's how it looks right now. And we're gonna do a pour. So here we go. Oh shit, you guys. I still have a whole shitload left. Isn't that cool though? Alright. Alright, so it's pretty full and we still have some more resin to use, so I guess we're gonna make some necklaces or earrings or bracelets. I don't know, but I gotta use this up quick. So, you know the drill, 24 hours, and we'll see what this thing looks like in the end. Okay guys, it's time. It's been 24 hours, so we're gonna go ahead and demold our glitter ball. So let's do it. Now if you see here, I didn't realize this ball is actually for a candle. So this is the result. And all I gotta do is put a little votive in there and we're good to go. So I'm pretty cool with that. I totally did not even realize that's what I was doing, but it kind of made a happy accident. So there we go. That's it, guys. Thanks for coming to the show. I hope you had fun today, and I hope that you guys learned something, and we'll see you on the next one.